I started recording.
I'm gonna fucking. Hey yo, hello YouTube.
I don't know where I'm gonna post
I
this
said
yet.
next time I die.
Fuck!
Jesus.
Oh hey, we can both give it to the nightmare.
Shit!
Fuck
Shit!
you.
Table!
Once I die,
At the table.
once I die, I'm gonna.
start recording.
Oh, cringe.
Avatar,
Ah!
I shouldn't be a thick avatar, huh?
Yeah.
Nightmare, the entire point of this
I'm gonna
game is to
record.
fucking curse.
Well, that sounds like a you problem.
I'm gonna
When I
record.
post this,
Okay,
I
I'm
don't really
recording.
care.
How about we all give it to like Nightmare so he can always like post all our like views.
Different POVs.
So you know it's called uploading to your own channel
What's
as
good?
well.
It's me, Nightmare, and Hal.
A word, hell.
Kill me! Kill me!
Don't have the Yeah, vending machine. Vending machine can
Dang
shut.
it.
How about you introduce us? Ah, ouch.
The one screaming, Blue Marble, ow.
Oh wait, no! That's a shipping
And
crate.
that's my
My
partner,
existence.
Axel.
Oh fuck!
Like
I don't
just
know where
fudge.
they went. That one's my partner, Axel. Oh.
And the one who just perished is me.
I
Oh,
already
Freaking
introduced
blue.
you, genius. Oh, shit.
Yay! I know.
Oh, no.
Don't hit! Don't hit! Don't hit!
Double tap.
Balls.
Ow! Ow!
Frick.
My existence tastes like iron. Yippee!
Existent. Bruh, these shipping containers are heat sinking. I'm telling you, my guy.
As well as the
You mean seeking?
heat sinking.
No, heat sinking.
Seeking.
Seeking.
Heat seeking.
Yeah, heat sinking. Ow.
Seeking.
We're not
That's
going
what
on
I'm
this
saying, heat
conversation
sinking.
again. We're not going on this conversation again.
Oh my god, I'm going.
I just got hit by a
Nightmare.
fridge.
What conversation? Yeah, the same
Father, I
fridge
swear to
hit
God.
me.
Father, I swear.
There is
to
no
God.
God. Be honest with yourself.
We've killed him. At the shipping crate.
He's already dead.
Dang it, I tried running.
Well,
He
God.
was turned into a
Running,
shipping
go.
crate.
Oh my god.
And this is his
He's
vengeance.
fully-
This is his vengeance on us.
Hold up. Freaking God said, okay, you exist. I'm gonna.
You
put into
exist?
this
That's a
game.
problem. How about I make you existent? Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap.
That's a vending
all the
machine
people
in the
who-
air. Ah, table!
All the people who worship be like, going to your comments being like,
Is this what God felt like when he was fighting Technoblade? Is this what God felt like when he was fighting Technoblade?
He's brought back his revenge on us this time. We fudged up. We fudged up.
We fucked up. I don't care about cursing at the current moment. We fucked up. We fucked with God.
We done fucked with God again. What's saying
We
that?
freaked- oh God.
Wah, wah. Honk. Honk!
Where's Molly?
Dad! Ow! That shipping crate just went full force into my fucking face.
It's on Westburn High. Goodbye. Watch the smoke out the door.
Stop. 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 Stop it. Stop. Stop. Please.
I got
Please.
five
Give me luck this once.
Molly.
God, give me luck once. I'm not Christian,
No.
but please. Ow, fuck!
You saying you're not
Ow!
Christian fucked up your luck. You said you're not Christian fucked up your luck.
I will become Christian.
Where's Molly?
I think
Where's
up.
Molly?
Oh, fuck.
Did Molly make it?
I made it.
Holy shit. Do you want to
Wait,
talk?
did Molly make it?
Molly made it.
Made it.
Oh shit.
Ow. Funk.
No, I don't see them up there. You lie.
Ow.
I got killed by a fridge instantly.
Freaking goober.
It went for my legs. Oh shit!
Ow!
I hate this. This was a mistake.
The funny thing is, I can't record with other people because they're gonna say racial slurs. This is the only people I
I
can
will
record
not
with.
say a racial slur while I am recording. Off recording, I can't say anything for myself.
Yeah,
Man-
what
man,
about while
every
I'm
single-
recording?
Every single person could have.
no. Ooh, that skimmed my back. I felt that shit skim my back. No!
Ah,
The funny
shoot.
thing
Oh
is,
my
when
God.
you
Oh
review
my
this,
God.
when you view this recording, I'm gonna sound like a fucking infant.
You are baby face.
Why are you calling me
Baby.
babyface? Molly, don't you join in too. I'm going to punch you. I'm gonna punch both of you.
Molly, baby face. Baby
Baby.
face.
Wait, no, wait.
Baby face.
Nerdsoul. Nerdsoul.
Nerdsoul. Nerdsoul.
Nerdsoul. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. Oh my God.
Dear Lord Almighty, I will become Christian if you smite them down now.
Oh, good heavens.
Oh, great heavens.
Oh, shoot.
Not
Ow.
me
I just
pleading
got
to God for
crunched.
downfall.
I got crunched.
Hat.
Okay, something skimmed my face, and it said it killed me. I call crap. I call wall hacks.
Oh my
I call
God.
every hack at once.
Oh my God.
That didn't even tag me, my guy.
That's over. Ow.
I just saved myself from death. Oh, sweet Jesus. Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my Jesus.
Damn it,
Oh
I
my
thought
God.
that was this.
Oh dear God.
Molly,
I don't want to
something
die.
hit me back into
Yeah.
the grinder, and it missed and hit me onto the platform.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, no, I don't want you free Shavakadu. I don't want you free. Oh my God, I don't want you free Shavakadu. No, I don't want you free Shavakadu. I don't want. I'm panicking.
You want the free Shavakadu.
No, I don't want you free Shavakadu. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my. Wait,
Shakes. Ow! Stop.
No, Trev, leave me alone.
in the Lord's name,
Stop.
I plead. Oh my God,
Stop.
am I gonna make it up here again?
Stop.
No way. No freaking way. No way.
Molly, I'm going to smite you, or at least try.
How did she do it? How did she do it?
I have a
How
feeling.
am I up here? Why?
How did you get up there?
I
Without dying.
you doing?
Time
How
already.
did you get up there? Shh, that's a tape.
Times already.
Fuck you and your two
Ow. Let's see if I can get up there third time.
I hate that it
Okay.
That's my face.
Ow. How
yes,
dare
the
it?
tire stopped me from cursing. Shit.
Well, excuse you. Oh
Pardon
hi.
me.
Oh hi. Oh hi.
I'm apparently Rick
No,
Sanchez.
I was right there.
Oh hi.
I was
hi. Oh,
right
hi.
there, and a fucking fridge came down and smited me.
You back.
It just said ha. Nope. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh no. I don't want you. I don't want you, piece of Akadu. I don't want it.
Mom,
No.
take the fish of Akadu.
No, I don't want
Take it, Molly.
Fuck.
No, I don't want it.
Fuck.
I
The
was
amount
almost
of
up there.
Major concussions I'm getting is fucking hilarious.
We're fine.
I'm getting
I
so
just
many
faced-
concussions. Come get me, please.
I
I faced through the table.
damn, protection
oh, I did
spell will
face
be
for that
fine.
one. No, 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 no.
Frick.
Fuck.
Skeleton.
Yippee. Yippee.
Yippee. Oh, hi. I don't want to be hydrated. I don't want to hydrate yet.
Hydrate.
Hydrate before
Oh,
you
hi, Never.
Fuck.
Oh my God. Nah, if I
Hello.
hydrate here, I'm gonna dihydrate.
Bruh, that was such crap. Why are the
It's not
shipping like we used to get 1 or 2 shipping containers. Now everything is like one shot shipping
Oh my God.
container. Another thing, shipping container.
Another one.
At the table.
Bro, this game's
Why
gotten
must-
twice as harder.
Why must
It's
the shipping
smiting us with
containers-
shipping containers. I know, why is it the shipping containers that sized up? Why not like the fridges or something? Or tables?
The fridges are even worse. They're smaller.
Yeah, 'cause
Why
they're
is it
smaller.
Shipping containers because they're longer.
oh.
No, it's shipping containers because they're longer.
Okay, yeah, that's true.
Because if they turn, you're screwed trying to run from that shit.
Yeah.
No. Oh, that flipped right over me. Okay. Just focus on everything.
Ah, chicken nuts.
Chicken nuts?
Check my nuts.
Chicken nug, Molly, chicken nug, chicken nug, chicken
No.
nug,
No.
No.
Ow!
I'm gonna turn this
Chick-
Mr. Crab, just...
Chicken nug balls.
Oh, hi. I don't wanna hydrate.
That didn't hit me.
I don't wanna. Oh, shoot.
You're lying. That hit me.
Hola, Birdman.
Wait, hold on. Did anyone else just see what happened to me? Did anyone else just see what happened to me? A tire
No.
hit me, and you know how you're supposed to fly like a little bit back? It threw me all the way down from almost the top.
Oh my god. Also, why do you guys have your cameras out? Oh, hi.
Recording.
Because I want to see my beautiful face before I get
I'm being
smashed
cringe.
by these shipping containers.
Cringe native, baby.
No.
I'm gonna be
No.
fan.
What are these
Oh.
shipping containers just saved
Honk.
my life?
Honk.
Another
Oh my
one.
god.
Okay, hold on. Listen to this. So, 2 shipping containers were coming at me. One of them flew into the other and saved my life.
Honk. Ah!
How the heck? Oh, hi, Satan. Oh, thank you.
No, please.
Merp. Merp.
That should have gone over.
I don't wanna
Well, if
know.
you make it up
I don't
there
wanna
again,
hydrate.
if you make it up there again, I'm gonna be angry.
Stick a needle
No,
into
no,
my
no,
eye.
This is
don't
the
know
first
how.
time I'm gonna be posting on my fucking YouTube. Cause my YouTube's just sitting there.
I post, it's just not a lot because I'm busy doing the things. Oh, you've gotta
Honk.
be.
Honk.
You're existing.
Ah!
Actually, I don't think I have. Oh, yeah, remake
You
it
do.
for me.
You're subscribed to me. I hit the light and it killed me.
Merp.
I
No,
hit
wait,
one of the
my,
lights on the side.
I didn't even
Wait, I
see
think
that
I can't go-
fridge.
Hold up, I physically can't get to my channel because.
All right, your
God.
email reset. So you're gonna
Yeah.
have a completely new channel and all.
Yeah,
If you do,
I'm mad.
subscribe, please. I need them. I need the subscribers. I'm poor.
Alright.
Oh, shit. I'm poor and subscribe. It gets hit by fridge casually. Or not
Like-
fridge, shipping containers.
Shipping container be like, shut the fuck up. No more plugging your YouTube, my guy.
Stop doing an ad. Oh shit.
Please like and subscribe. Ow! I got hit
Oh,
right as I
chick
said
nug.
that. It doesn't like me
Chicken
saying
nug,
like and
chicken nug,
subscribe.
chicken nug,
I said
chicken nug balls.
Chip,
I said like and subscribe and
chip,
something
chip,
sniped my
chip.
legs.
Chip,
Ball.
chip, 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 man, chip, chip, chip.
Double
Ah!
Oh,
Honk.
my skull. It hurts.
I'm recording. Don't freaking say that.
Balls.
What, devil darling?
Nah.
I'm just saying balls. You don't know what I'm talking about. El huevos. El huevos, my guy.
Damn. Aw.
Honk.
Man, when I find out how to edit, I am going to.
No
edit.
mamas, güey, no mamas. I might as well turn into fucking Mexican
Spanish.
Caesar. I might as well turn into fucking Mexican Caesar. Honk. Bitch!
Save me. No.
Oh my god! Do you see that shit?
What? No.
I landed. I was decently up there, and I landed all the way back. Honk, honk. Honk.
That's how I felt when that one
Honk.
fridge hit me. I can't even get off the fucking platform. Everything keeps hitting my legs and pushing me off or killing me instantly. Shut up, babyface.
Fuck off. Ooh, honk. No.
Molly, you're a bitch. I hope you know this. No, mamas. No, mamas, no, mamas.
Everything.
Honk. Shakes. Here comes the German. Oh no.
God damn it.
Thank
Nothing
God I
hit
don't know
me.
French.
What hit me?
Oui,
Oui.
baguette. I'm gonna get hit by my own people.
Oh, titty croissant.
I'm gonna get hit by my own race. Me. I'm gonna get hit by the French. Fuck.
We're not knowing how to speak.
No, I don't know French. My mom knows French. If you wanna know French, ask my
Ask
fucking
your mom teach you French. If you want to know French, you ask your mom.
I wanted to learn Italian. Balls.
Jesus Christ.
Cause Italian and Spanish, if I did hear correctly, do go decently well together. Balls. Big ones.
Balls.
I'm gonna have to give my sister this recording to fucking edit. Just be like, hey, Tortellini, can you edit this for me, please? Can you be my editor for a bit?
Don't edit it. It's funny. It's good content. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Don't question why I call my sister Tortellini. If you know her name, then balls.
God damn it!
If you know my sister's name or if you've heard it enough, you know why I call her Tortellini. Tortellini.
No. I hate the shipping containers. They literally said shipping containers. Let's turn that shit up.
Her name is not actually her name. She gave herself.
You're trying so hard, and it's
Yeah,
funny.
because I'm trying to protect my sister's identity by calling her Tortellini.
Fuck identity. You think that's gonna do anything? People will figure out what that means and then start calling your sister her name.
Fuck! If I do give her this this clip to edit, she'd be like, "Hey, Tori, bleep this out for me real quick. Like, bleep all the stuff that's cursing and balls, hefty ones."
Don't bleep. You know you can just put 18 plus on videos, right? So you can curse and stuff.
Yeah. But you know,
My existence.
when
No,
someone
you
sees VR
fucking
chat
idiot.
and a Dutch Angel Jonah, most of the people will think, "Hey, VR chat's for kids." Slap a kid rating on it. Fuck!
They won't do that. You pick what you put on there. How did Molly do this 3 times?
I don't know. I think I have some old recordings. I also want to make an intro for my shit.
I
If
don't
I
know
do
how
start
existing,
recording
like,
more
I have an
often again.
intro, but I have to use a website that puts their fucking watermark on my stuff. I don't like that.
Dang. Ow. My existence.
Bye, Molly.
You know what? I'm about to turn my sister into my editor. Pay
No.
her in avatars.
Don't do that.
Ow.
That's
Why?
slavery at its finest.
She's my sister.
Child slavery.
That
You and-
doesn't mean anything.
Fuck, I got double tapped by the table, my guy. Ack!
No. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Man, if I find a good like editing website, I am going to use it.
I want one that doesn't put their watermark on my stuff, so I can. God damn it.
Technically, CapCut and KindMaster? KindMaster does
Nope,
put their
KindMaster
stuff on
puts
there.
watermark on your
Alright.
stuff.
And
I know because that's what I used for one of my videos.
CapCut does put a watermark at it, but at the end. So you can just cut that out.
Oh, I might. No! I might do that. I don't know.
I have
think
I
CapCut.
Free?
fully decided, yeah.
Ow, shit.
Is it
But
free?
yeah, once
Yeah,
you
it's
guys
free.
edit like your stuff, just
for
send it
phone
to me,
and,
and
like-
I'll put the videos like different POVs of playing blah blah blah.
Ow, shit.
Cause I can't remember the name because I have too much brain damage.
Meat grinder.
Meat grinder.
Meat grinder.
Another thing I can
Why
do
did they-
is just post my video on my channel and then just give you the link for it so you can put it in the description.
Oh yeah, you like
Shit.
yeah, you put it like in the description, like saying, "Oh, this one's point of view, this one's point of view." Yippee!
This one's fucking Blue's point of view. This one's Axel's point of view.
I find it funny that it's literally just my name, Axel the Axolotl.
Axel. It's Nerd Soul, the Nerd Solotl.
Nerd soul.
Shit. Ow.
I got tapped by a fridge.
Don't hit me, don't hit
Was
me,
it
don't hit me,
double
don't hit
tap
me,
or
don't
was
hit
it
me.
just normal tap?
Double
She
Don't
got
hit me.
me.
Oh my god! Oh my god! No, I don't.
I'm
wanna
gonna see.
Jesus.
I'm gonna see how much my mic is peaked. I'm gonna see how much my mic peaks. You don't know what peak means.
Hold
it's
up,
just
I'm
From
gonna-
our
audio.
sides.
Just in general, actually.
The back camera.
Oh no! Please protect me. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Beans, Vast, Jesus Christ, and Byron.
Byron, who? Byron.
Byron. Who? Oh, 3 or 4 things just
Fuck.
passed right by me and missed. No, don't hit me, you stupid fridge. Or no, that's a vending machine.
Oh my god.
Hey, fuck, table,
I don't understand
balls,
how that's half
balls,
the shit. It's that
balls. Look at me go!
Ow.
Fuck! Look at me go!
Man.
Honk, honk,
I'm gonna,
honk,
I'm,
honk,
when I hear
honk,
this, I'm gonna
honk,
hate it.
honk,
Hear
honk,
my voice.
honk, 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 honk. Yes! Yes, I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I did it!
What? You really thought I was gonna let you out? For you to rat me out? Not a chance.
I made it!
Die here. And then you're just one toss away from being done.
Every time I get on here, it throws 1,000 shipping crates and fridges at me. But then y'all get on it, it throws the lightest shit. This is fucking
Motherfucker, I got hit by multiple shipping containers. 20.
No.
And that was before recording.
No. I wish they would. I might actually like contact her and be like, yo, take your stupid shipping crate out of the fucking game. It's the fucking shipping crates. Like literally, it's throwing down like 3 or 4 at a time, and you can't get past that.
You can't.
Cause just 2 or 3 of them block the entire way when they're sideways. Now it's like 4 or 5 of them coming at once. It sucks.
Yeah, true. Maybe you should ask. Maybe you should ask them.
Axel made it up there once. Now they made it up there twice. All the fucking shipping crates keep targeting my ass, along with the vending machines and the fridges.
Wait, you made it up there twice?
No, you did. I said you made it up there 3 times. Axel made it up there once. Like, I haven't made it up there at all because the shipping crates keep blocking my path, and I can't go up there. without
I'm not
getting
doing this again. You can't make me.
Hit me straight in the.
Yeah, no, look, 2 of them take up the entire middle lane, and when they fly up in the air and fly towards you, there's nothing you can do because you can't jump and you can't dodge because the shipping crates are too like fucking wide and shit.
Yeah, that's true. No. No, I don't want to
And since
see
the corners
Jesus. I
out,
don't.
it adds an extra like inch or 2 to it.
Yeah, true. Mmm.
And it also just
The sliding
up pushes you almost all the way down because I was up there, and a tire or something, I forgot what it was, but something threw me all the way back down, and then it bounced me into the other room where we spawned.
Yeah, true.
Look at this, it was clear for you at first, and then I got on here, and it threw 3 shipping crates at us. And then that goes into the fridge.
Everything is coming after me. Oh my god.
It's because I was on the same side as you. I went behind you to see if I could block myself, and everything started showing up on that side. You want to know what happened behind you, Molly, that made me angry?
But
A tire pushed me straight into a shipping crate right behind you, yet you didn't get hit. And the tire just landed on the conveyor belt and pushed me into the grinder. Look, nothing heavy's dropping, right? Look, right as I stepped up here, two
It's
shipping
following
crates
you.
showed up.
I love how Axel is just up there.
Look, it throws down one. Now watch, right as I step on here, it's gonna throw down like 3 or 2. There's one. There's
I'm not-
2.
This again.
3. There's 3. 4. It just did a 4 right as I got on here, man.
Man,
This
if
is- no.
the thing I'm scared about is if
Okay.
the thing
no,
I'm
hold on,
scared
the
about
table
when I
threw-
oh, okay.
What happened to me is a table threw me into the air and it killed me, even though nothing hit me while I was in the air. This is rigged against me.
Man, if I actually make like a YouTube channel, I'm probably gonna get so much anxiety. My whole entire existence is gonna be like.
I feel like there should be a barrier so that like objects falling can't hit you while you're like at spawn or something. You know what I mean?
Oh, there technically
Because
is.
half the stuff that's killed me
No, wait,
has
no.
dropped at spawn or launched me into spawn and it has killed me.
Yeah, no,
No, stupid table! No, don't drop that mini fridge. No, dumb table. Leave me alone. Ain't nothing to do. Oh, shit.
Oh, I can't.
Hey, what's up?
Hi. I was about to see if I can pause my recording so I can go get a drink.
Nah. All you can do is just cut, and then like come back and then turn it back on, or you could just leave it on.
You know what?
Yeah, you can let it